Today we are again back with some more uses of set square. Before this I have made a video where we discussed how to use set square for making parallel line. If you have not seen that video, the link is given in the description box. You can check that out. So today the question before us is, can we find the diameter of a circular object of a circle using set square? So that is a big question. Let us check if we can find it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix my scale like this, and the circular object whose diameter I need to find I'm keeping like this, and then I will bring two set squares, both 90-degree angles. That means the set square should be perpendicular to the base line, that is base scale which you have fixed. Bring them closer to each other. For the calculations to be easy, you can start this set square from 10. Okay, so this is exactly at 10, and let me bring it closer and check. It is coming till 16.9, or exactly we can take it as 16.9 or 17. Now for example, we have to find the height of an object. Usually what we do, we take an inch tape and measure the height. While doing so, we just touch our inch tape, and we can make mistakes because while touching the object, we might not take the actual height. But it can be taken exactly by using a set square, because set square fix the base. The base is fixed with the ground at 90 degree, and now you can take the height. So again, since the object is not touching the set square, then what you should do, take another set square, and this set square now further gives you, over here the height is coming exactly as 9.6 centimeter. So this method is used in army entry. If you are going for army entry, you have to take the height, or anywhere if you take the height, what do? They ask you to stand on a platform, and with another piece of small set square with your head, they take the height. So this method can be used to measure the height also. Start. Okay. Now let us try to understand how we can use set square to make different angles. As I told you in earlier video also, this set square has 90 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree angles, and this set square has 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree angles. So these angles you can make directly. For example, if you have to make 45, draw a baseline and draw this line. This angle is 45. Similarly, if you want to make a 60 degree angle, it's very easy. This angle is 60 degree. If you have to make 30 degree angle, you know this angle of the set square is 30 degree. So this gives you 30 degree. But the question arises, how to make more angles using set square? So now you know that the angles which you have with your set square are 90, you have 60, you have 45 and 30 degree. These four types of angles are possible with set square. Now with the combination of these angles, can we make some more angles? Let's see. If I add 45 plus 30, how much I get? I get 75 degrees. So is it possible to make an angle of 75 degree? Let's check. For that, what I will do is, first I will take a set square. You can use the set square which is in form of an equilateral triangle, because 30 degree you will be using from this set square. So we have fixed the baseline, and with the baseline I know that this angle, it's starting from 0 from here, and over here it has become 45. In 45 I have to add 30. Now which angle is 30 over here? this angle is 30 and this is 60. So I'm just adding, I'm fixing my vertex and I am adding a 30 degree to my 45 degree. This was 45 and this is adding 30 to it. Just make a line and this is 75 degree. You can check it using a protector that whether it is 75 or not. So let's check using a protector. You can see this angle is exactly coming 75 degree. Okay, then try for some more combinations. Another combination which I am going to try is 60 plus 45 gives me how much? 5105. It gives me 105 degree. So let's make 105 degree with set square. So again I will make a baseline. I have to add 60 to 45. So, okay, or 45 to 60. So again I am fixing my vertex over here. This angle is 45. I have to add 60 to it. Now you know the smaller angle of this set square is 30 and the bigger one is 60. So you have to add 60 to it. So I am adding 60 this time. Okay, you can see this angle is 60. So I am adding 60 to my 45. Just keep it properly. They should not overlap. And draw a line from the vertex. So this angle is 105. Let us again check it with our protector. You can see here that this angle is exactly coming as 105. So nice idea, isn't it? To add the angles and get some more angles. So we have tried with 45 and 30. We have tried with 45 and 60, 45 and 90 we already have. Let us try to subtract 30 from 45. From 45, if I take off 30, then how much I get? I get 15 degrees. So whoa, if I just take off 30 from 45, I will get 15. Let us check how we can do that. So for that, what I am going to do is, first again I will make the baseline. From 45 I have to take 30. So first I will keep the 45 degree angle, and from this 45 I have to subtract, I have to reduce 30. So I will use this set square, and as you know the smaller angle is 30. So you take off 30. So exactly let the edge meet the edge. Okay, exactly. So this full was 45. From that 45 I am taking off this 30. So what is remaining? This remaining angle will be 15. So let us just mark out from here, and from here this is my vertex. Just join these two. This gives you 15. Let us check with our... It's exactly coming as 15 degrees. So using the different combination of angles, you can make more angles from set square. Thank you.